Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable gestures navigation in Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Then you can see here it is gestures. Click on navigation mode and you have to click on gestures navigation like this, and you can see three dots are disappear and gestures is now enabled. If you want to go back, you have to swipe right like this, and if you want to go to home screen, then you have to swipe upside. You can see it is now back, and you can disable it by just going to the settings. Then you have to go to gestures, here it is navigation mode, and disable it by like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.